everybody. So I'm going to be making a stand for our Hypertufa. Wendy and I did a video on a couple different types of pots, mainly the hanging pots. So this is a quick stand that I'm just going to show you how to do real quick. So I had some random pieces of wood laying around, so I just cut out a top piece, a bottom piece, and then I did two different tops. I did a wood piece and a plastic piece because we had some random things laying around. And this is what I used to cut them out with, okay? Just drills it, burp, burp, burp. And so, because there's a little hole in the middle, I have different screws that we can use. One that you use with the washer, that way when we drill it onto the top, it doesn't go through. So just a wood deck screw, or if we're going to use the plastic, we're going to use like one of these types of screws. And I don't remember what they're called. Stitch screw, something like that. Anyways, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to do that, put that together real quick, and here we go. So I pre-drilled a hole on both of these, so made it real quick and easy to do. And so
there's a hole right there.
And you don't need a washer for this, but you can use one if you want. So you're just going to put it through there. Actually, Wendy, I'm going to just walk around on this side because I'm right-handed. So.
Gotcha.
Yep. So that goes like that.
And voila.
And then because of one of the pots we're using, Wendy thought this would be kind of neat to use. So Wendy, do you want me to use this one or do you want me to use this one?
Doesn't matter. Whatever you feel like.
I'm going to go with the wood one since I already got this ready to go. And you guys don't have to pre-drill this. You can if you want. Alright, so once you get this all situated, this is why they work great. So now you can drape your done Hypertufa stuff right over the top. Voila! Just like that.
Cha-ching!
And so we'll be doing some different tool stuff. I'll be showing you guys how to use the drill drivers. We can do some of this, chainsaws, all kind of fun stuff. So come check us out. Make it a gorgeous day.
Bye.
Bye.